Hello, how are you? I am back again today. I thought I'd do a quick first impressions review of the brand new Jo Malone perfume. This is the new Beach Blossom cologne, and I have just got a bottle. I've just put it on. It smells incredible, and I thought I'd kind of, tell you about it. I will do a full review soon where I'll be able to talk about the longevity and maybe talk a little bit more about the fragrance combining. But for now, I thought I'd just do a little first impressions review. So let's do it. So this is the Jo Malone box and how it came packaged. There is just something about that Jo Malone yellow and that bow. This is a limited edition cologne, so it comes in a limited edition bottle. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of a slight peachy coloured glass. And it's got this soft, almost like milky white cap. And it's called Beach Blossom. And I was hoping it would be really beachy and less blossomy. And I was so right because it is so beautiful and beachy. It's inspired by the idyllic palm fringe beaches of the Seychelles. And it's described as a refreshing twist of coconut water carried on the breeze, meeting the sparkling clarity of lime and mint wrapped in the allure of tonka bean. And this is the 50ml bottle, so it retails for £86. But if you love it, you can also get it as a 100ml bottle, which I think is £124. And honestly, spoiler alert, I would go for the bigger bottle because it is slightly better value. And this is a perfume that I will be wearing a lot, so I would personally want a bigger bottle. Oh my God, it smells so good. So it opens with like this lovely, fresh, but quite soft lime. It's quite kind of breezy and kind of quite translucent and aquatic. It's not like the punchiest lime in the world. It's like a really soft, almost pretty lime. And it has got a touch of like green leafiness, which I guess is the mint. But I wouldn't call it minty. It's more kind of like a greeny, fresh, kind of crisp green note. In terms of the coconut scent, it's not necessarily coconutty. It's more coconut sun cream. I always think coconut is quite a youthful scent, and this is a little bit more grown up and elevated. And it does have that tiare flower feel, that sand and sun cream feel. And there is this kind of feeling of the blossom in there, but it's not super dominant. It's not what I would think of as a blossom fragrance. It's more of like that kind of solar, sunshine, beachy, sandy feel. And then at the base, we've got tonka bean, which is quite earthy, but also at times a little bit sweet and powdery too. It's very, very, very pretty. It's not really like anything we've seen from Jo Malone before. I think because all of their perfumes feel very kind of like inspired by England, and this feels very much more inspired by a tropical island. And it has that similar energy of like Terracotta by Galan or Bronze Goddess by Estée Lauder. But it does have that Jo Malone twist to it. I don't know what it is, but Jo Malone has this thing that like just always makes Jo Malone smell like Jo Malone. And it's got that. But yeah, it's very crisp and fresh and sunshine and solary and beachy and sandy and coconut, sun creamy. It's really, really pretty. If you like fragrances like Bronze Goddess or, oh God, I can't even think, like Sol de Janeiro, Terracotta. There's a Margiela perfume that's in that same kind of world. It has got those vibes, but very Jo Malone-y. I'm really into it. I love it. I think it's so fun. It's perfect for summer. It's exactly what I would want from them. It's so good. It's new. It's exciting. It feels just so warm and fresh and sunshiny. And I really hope the longevity is good, because I feel like I will be wearing this one all summer long. In terms of fragrance combining, my initial thoughts are to combine it with wood sage and sea salt for a bit more of a coastally feel, but like a little bit more of a cold coastal feel. Maybe some lime basil mandarin to kind of amp up those limey notes and the freshness, but give it a bit more punch. And maybe possibly the grapefruit. I feel like that could add a lot more kind of zesty, citrusy to this perfume, which would be really lovely. But honestly, I would personally wear it alone because it's absolutely gorgeous. It's exactly what I want. And yeah, I can't believe that we've got such a lovely, warm, solar, beachy perfume from Jo Malone. I'm just so here for it. So here is the bottle. I think it's limited edition. I don't think it will stick around long because it is so beautiful that I think it will get sold very, very quickly. I'm personally hoping it will be introduced into the main collection. So if you do want it, I would recommend buying it fairly soon. And if you're blind buying it, I would actually say go for it because it's really, really good. And I would also say go for the bigger bottle because I don't think 50 mils is going to be enough. Anyway, that's my first impressions review. I'll keep wearing it. I'll let you know how I feel about it. And let me know if you like it and what you think of it. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.